Good morning, class, and welcome po sa ating first day of school. Before you proceed with our lesson, kayo muna ay makinig sa ating ganda. Hindi na lalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa atin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal patungo sa hinahan na buhay na banal. Okay, tungkol saan ang aking kinanta? All about PWDs, or persons with disabilities. And that will be connected to our lesson for today. And our lesson for today is all about intersubjectivity. Or in Filipino, pakikipagkapwa-tao. At the end of the lesson, you're going to answer these questions. Question number 1. What does it mean to be humans? Again, what does it mean to be humans? And question number 2. How does one's relationship with fellow human beings help him understand and enrich his own humanity? Again, how does one's relationship with fellow human beings help him understand and enrich his own humanity? Ano nga ba ang intersubjectivity? According dito, we are part of society, yet we are still different individuals living in this society with different appearances or points of view. Tayo ay nakatira sa isang lipunan, pero meron tayong kanya-kanyang pananaw sa issue ng lipunan. Noon ang tawag natin sa mga taong may kapansanan, we call them handicapped. Pero ngayon, hindi ba yan? Ang tawag sana ngayon ay PWDs, or persons with disabilities. Sa palagay ninyo, bakit kaya tinawag na persons with disabilities? Or bakit nauna ang person kaysa yung kanilang disabilities? May tama kayo. Kasi nga, kahit na meron silang kapansanan, they are still considered persons. Mga tao pa rin sila. So, talk about the talents and contributions of PWDs and underprivileged. Alam niyo ba, ang PWD ay hindi lang tumutukoy sa kapansanang pisikal, kundi tumutukoy din yan when you are hearing impaired, hindi ka makarinig, diabetic, asthmatic, or cystic fibrotic. Yan ay tinatawag din mga PWDs, or persons with disabilities. May kila ba kayong tao na sikat, despite his disabilities, ay meron pa rin siyang nagagawang maganda sa kanyang lipunan or contribution sa kanyang lipunan? I bet kilala niyo si Nick Wojcik na isang motivational speaker. Napakagaling niyang magsalita, mag-motivate ng mga listeners niya despite his disabilities. Wala po siyang kamay, wala din po siyang paa. But despite that, siya po ay isang magaling na speaker, and of course, magaling din po siyang swimmer and athlete. Yan po si Nick Wojcik. And of course, may din po tayong Pinay na pinagmamalaki, Filipino-American na si Jessica Cox. Siya din po ay wala din po siyang kamay, pero she can fly an airplane. Siya po ay isang piloto. Yes, you heard it right. Siya po ay isang piloto. She can fly an airplane. So apart from PWD, we are also going to talk about the underprivileged, or all about poverty. Alam niyo ba, ang poverty o kahirapan ay hindi lang tumutukoy sa usaping pinansyal, kundi tumutukoy din sa ating usaping pangkalusugan, education, empowerment, and working conditions. For your activities, you're going to answer these questions. Question number 1. How do you react when you see persons with disabilities and street children? And why? Number 2. Listen to Michael Jackson's song entitled Man in the Mirror. And based on the song, when does our own image become that of our own neighbors? So that's it for today. Have a nice day, everyone. Once again, I'm Nestor.